Have you ever wanted to create a professional looking presentation in minutes without spending hours formatting every slide? Google Slides makes this easy with built in templates. And now with Gemini AI, you can take things even further. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. If you're not signed in already, log into your Google account so all your work is saved and synced across devices. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your existing presentations along with the option to start a new one. Here you have two choices. You can click on Blank Presentation to design everything from scratch, or you can pick a template. Templates are a great time saver because they come with ready-made layouts, color schemes, and styles. Whether you're making a school project, a pitch deck, or a team report, choosing a template gives you a polished starting point that you can customize to your needs. Now here's where it gets even better. Google Slides has integrated Gemini AI, which can help you design slides faster and smarter. Look for the Gemini icon in the interface and click it. You'll see an option that says, "Try it out." Go ahead and select it. Gemini AI can assist you by suggesting layouts, formatting your text, and even recommending visuals or charts to match your content. All you need to do is provide your topic or main points, and the AI will generate suggestions you can build on. This means less time wrestling with design and more time focusing on your ideas. You can still edit and customize everything the AI creates, change fonts, swap out images, or adjust colors to match your style. Think of it as a creative partner that gives you a head start while leaving you in full control, and that's all it takes. By combining Google Slides templates with the power of Gemini AI, you can build presentations that are polished, engaging, and ready to impress in a fraction of the time. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making your work smarter and more efficient. Now go ahead and give Gemini AI a try. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create your next presentation.